Hey, we are going to talk here about the best tools for affiliate marketer to succeed. And when we're going to talk about these tools, if you're within affiliate marketing for a while or you have just started affiliate marketing, you're going to need these tools definitely for you to succeed within the entire digital marketing space of affiliate marketing. So here we're going to talk about definitely the top 6 tools. Plus, I'm going to give some bonus within these tools that you're going to use to really become successful as an affiliate marketer. Hey, if this is the first time being seen my channel, my name is VJ Nelson. I've been an affiliate marketer from 2018, and it's been over 1 year now since I have definitely quit my 9 to 5 job and being full time within affiliate marketing. So let's dive in and let you know what are the successful tools that you're going to need to succeed within affiliate marketing. The number one tool you're going to need to succeed within affiliate marketing is going to be a web hosting. Now I've been using Hostinger for over a while now because Hostinger hosts my website, plus he hosts my tool site such as my viral bio link. Also, it is a link shortener, and we have many more other tools such as for generating names, domain names, and others. Definitely. So this tool been helping me a lot when I'm talking about web hosting. I have a lot of different sites and the entire web hosting. And once you're going to have a website, you're going to need a hoster or a hosting platform to really host your website. And that's why I use Hostinger. Now, the second tool I really use, and it's a web builder. I've used it a lot in some areas, and it's been known as WordPress. WordPress being used to build my websites. It's been used to do other rest of things, even to the point where I'm becoming out with a tool very soon, which is an AI tool, and WordPress is also part of that tool. So, you're going to see some real interesting things from me very soon. The third entire tool that I use within affiliate marketing is an email responder, or I say an email service provider. And what I've been used this entire tool for, it is for my landing page, my bridge page, and to automatically send out email. And the one that I've used very well is Systeme.io. Systeme.io can build out all the different pages that I need for my business and to make my business become more productive in the way for it to become successful. I also use Getresponse definitely to deal with my email service, as I have to really reply towards people even when I'm asleep, even when I'm away on vacation, even when I'm busy with my kids and my entire family. This is what run my business. So my business being run off these two entire email service providers that is 24/7 working for me, which is System.io and Getresponse. However, if you want to really start off with this email business within your affiliate business, all you need is just System.io. Don't worry yourself. They're all in the links below in my description. Now, the fourth tool that I use definitely right across my entire business is Canva, which is a design tool. Whether I use it for my thumbnails, I use it for my definitely banner and different social media platform. I use it to create even the images within my blog posts and to put up on Pinterest, to put on all the different social media platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all of that. All the images and all the editing of most of my videos have been done definitely on Canva. Now, the fifth tool is a research tool that I've been used to research definitely what video I need to put on YouTube, what video I need to put on Instagram, what blog post do I need to create, and all of that in order to make money within my business. And as I'm in the make money niche, I have to really use tools to research to find what my audience needs. I use tools like Ubersuggest in order to really give me what keyword to be used. And I also use Ahrefs free generating errors so I can use that to find necessary keywords and most related keywords to produce my content right throughout. The sixth tool I've used, which is the sixth one, this is not the final. Just remember that I have a bonus for you where I'm going to show you a tool that I've used definitely in my business. Now, the sixth tool that I use is for traffic research and how to really find out where my traffics are coming from, who are my traffics. So I say, who are my people? Who are they that really coming? Where they coming from? Whether it's from social media or from my advertisement and so on. So I use Google Analytics to really tell which platform are my people leaving from, my entire audience, coming to where they watch my video, come towards my landing page for my free course where me and Jonathan have combined together. We're a partner and create all these courses. Well, definitely I use Google Analytics to let me know whether they are coming from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or whether it's Google, send all these people towards my landing page. Now, my sixth tool is right there, but the bonus is one of my own tool, which is known as Get Domainer. And Get Domainer have been used to really search what's the best domain name I want for my business and what's the most catchy and attentive domain name can be used in my business. So Get Domainer have been used definitely right across, even for passive freedoms. It was Get Domainer, find that name, and so I could really purchase that domain name to use. So those are the best tool for affiliate marketing, and I definitely want you to know that I'll be coming out with more and more videos to help you within your affiliate marketing journey. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel that you may see me on the next video.